Bwana Ruto, you can make 1,000 visits here. Even 1,000,000 visits. But unless and until you go through one Raila Malo Odinga, it is all futile. Totally futile. More critically, when you are here, respect us. Respect our leaders. Respect our people. Otherwise, if you come here as a tourist, you will come a million times, but politically it will add no value to you. We as a people, the Luo community in particular, we have no problem with visitors of whatever shade. We are receptive of all visitors. And we remain steadfast in ODM under our one leader, Raila Amolo Odinga. The one and only leader, Raila Amolo Odinga. So you can visit us as many times as you wish. But if your intention is to seek our political support, then there's only one route. And that route is Raila Amolo Odinga. Any other route is a total waste of time. Total waste of time. But more importantly, if you come here, please help us address the issues that are affecting our people. Development,